Yeah, I got it already and it works.
It works. Okay. And you understand what the code is doing.
Yeah.
And why we use a float instead of int?
Because of we are dividing.
And if we use int, we cannot divide?
I mean, you can, but then you won't be able to use decimal numbers.
Okay, yeah, this is a good answer. Okay. Okay. So you know the difference between using 2 equal and 1 equal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is like in game. While. Okay. Can you have a look at this? Did we see while loops before in Java? We still remember anything about while loops?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what about here? What do you think this code will do? This simple game, you are lost in the forest. So he's asking him if he want to go left or right. And then they will ask him and take an input from him and then compare this input in the while and then print something out. So tell me what this while loop is doing and when it will exit the user.
Okay, so just if you go right, it will keep looping until you go left. Then when you go left, then it will stop looping.
Okay. Only if you write left. Okay. Can you please write the code?
Okay. Oh, I mean, yeah, what if you just write, you can write anything, you just write up, down.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
It will still make you exit, right?
Yeah.
Is it difficult to write it?
No, I'm done. We wrote it already.
Okay, so does it work? Did you write up and left and test what is the result?
I'm running it now. Yeah, if I go up, yeah, it works. So
it will
only
still
if you
exit.
go right.
It
Yeah.
will keep looping.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We will try to study this thing here. So if we put n equals 0 and we say while n less than 5, we keep printing n. And then
Okay.
we increment n value plus 1. So
Okay.
every time we loop, we will get n incremented from 0 to become 1, 2, 3, and 4. Will we increment it to 5 or not?
No. 5 won't, it'll only be 0 to 4.
So we will print from 0 to 4, but
Yeah, because
will n ever be 5? Will n value
no,
ever be
no,
5? Why you say like that?
no.
So okay,
Because
now when
when it's
n equal 4, let tell me when n equal 4. So 4 is less than 5 or not?
oh, it will be 5. Yeah. It will reach 5. Then it will stop. So the
It,
last loop will be at 5.
exactly. Yes, you are correct.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now have a look at this. This is the first time for you ever to see this kind of a for loop. So for n in range 5, what does this mean in your opinion?
Wait, what? Oh, range.
Range 5.
Okay. Okay, so I think it will go to 4.
Actually, this is exactly like this line
Oh,
and
it's
this
the
line.
same? Okay.
It's combining both 1, 2. So you don't need to increment the n value. Once you say 4 in range, so this
Oh, I
range will
see.
result in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will not go to the 5. 5 is excluded.
Yeah,
So
okay.
what you were going to print here is exactly what you're going to print in this. But you see here we write less lines like so. Python
Yeah.
is like a master in making you write less amount of lines to achieve the same purpose. Okay, so please, if you
Mm,
don't
mm,
mind, I want you to write both this and this.
mm. Okay. So I'll write both.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, done.
So both get print out for you the same result.
Yeah.
Okay. So I would say I will stop here. Can we go
Yeah.
to the last Java program that we write? Yes. You need to
Actually,
go.
I have, yeah, because it's 4:30. I have something at 5.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So we stop here. Okay. We continue next
Okay.
class. Okay. Take care.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay. You too. Bye, sir.